Hello everyone, myself Vinay Kumaram. I am pursuing PhD in physics. So in this particular YouTube channel, I'll be teaching physics, chemistry, and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard. So if you want to learn physics, chemistry, and mathematics, then please do subscribe to my channel. So in my previous video, I had started the new chapter in 9th standard mathematics, that was 10th chapter. So in that 10th chapter was based on Heron's formula. So in that video, I have explained about the formula of Heron's formula, and also I have explained examples which were there in this chapter. So in this particular video, we'll move into the exercise questions which were there in this 10th chapter in 9th standard mathematics. So now we will move into exercise 10.1. So in exercise 10.1, coming into the first question, here there is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. So that traffic signal board is an equilateral triangle. So that means there is a traffic signal board like this. So this traffic signal board is an equilateral triangle with side A like this. So now you have to find out the area of this signal board using Heron's formula. This is first part of this question. So first we'll try to find out. So here A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A only. So perimeter is A plus A which will be equal to 3A. So what is S? S will be 3A by 2. So we don't know A. Directly you can put A as it is. So now we will use Heron's formula to find out area of this triangle. So square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So all A, B, C is equal to A only. So S is 3A by 2. So 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A. So now you can write this as 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A whole square into 3A by 2 minus A. So here square root of 3A by 2 minus A whole square will be 3A by 2 3A by 2 minus A. So 3A by 2 minus A will be outside. So inside square root we have 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A. Now 3A by 2 minus A into square root of 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A. So 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 will be 3A by 2 whole square minus 3A square. So here 3A by 2 minus A is there. So when you multiply this, it will become minus A square and 3 by 2 will be there. So 3 by 2 into A square. So minus 3A square by 2 we have got inside square root. So now we'll try to solve what is there inside square root. So 3A by 2 minus A will be there outside the square root. So inside square root 3A by 2 whole square is there. So this you can write as 3 square A square by 2 square. So 2 square is 4 minus 3A square by 2. So this I'll write in the new slide. So 3A by 2 minus A square root of 3 square A square by 4 minus 3A square by 2. So now you can take LCM of 4 and 2. So the LCM will be 4. So now you can multiply 4 here. So now you can subtract these two fractions. So whenever you are doing addition or subtraction of a fraction, you have to take LCM of denominator and you have to follow the steps which you follow to find out addition and subtraction of the fractions. So 3 square A square minus 3A square into 2 whole divided by 4. So here LCM is 4. So the 4 you have to multiply with this. So 4 gets cancelled. The same 4 you have to multiply with 3A square by 2. So your 2 ones are 2 2s are. So that's why 3A square into 2. So now we are getting here 3A by 2 minus A into square root of 3 square A square minus 3 2s are 6. So 6A square divided by 4. So 3 square is nothing but 9. So 9a square minus 6a square. So a is equal to 3a by 2 minus a square root of 9a square minus 6a square divided by 4. So area is equal to 3a by 2 minus a square root of 9a square minus 6a square is 3a square. So 3a square divided by 4. So what is 4? 4 is nothing but 2 square. So this you can write as 3a by 2 minus a square root of 3a square divided by square root of 4. So area will be equal to 3a by 2 minus a. So square root of 3a square will be a into root 3 divided by square root of 4 is 2. So now we have 3a by 2 minus a into a root 3 by 2. So 3a by 2 into a root 3 by 2. So this a root 3 by 2 you have to multiply with 3a by 2 and you have to multiply with minus a as well. So 3a square root 3 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus a square root 3 divided by 2. So now again you can take LCM and you can solve this fraction. So area will be equal to 3a square root 3 minus a square root 3 into 2 whole divided by 4. So here I am taking LCM of 4 and 2, that will be 4. So into 4, here 4 gets cancelled. Here also into 4, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So a square root 3 into 2 will be remaining inside bracket. So area will be equal to 3 root 3 a square minus 2 root 3 a square divided by 4. So here you can see root 3 a square, root 3 a square you can take common. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. So 3 minus 2 you can take inside bracket by taking root 3 a square common divided by 4. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So finally you'll get root 3 a square divided by 4. So the area is root 3 into a square by 4. So now in the same question they have asked to find out area if the perimeter of this equilateral triangle is 180 centimeter. So now they have given perimeter of this equilateral triangle, that is 180 centimeter, and because this is an equilateral triangle, so here all the sides will be equal to A only. So that is A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A, because this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So this triangle is an equilateral triangle, so all three sides will be equal to A. So now 3 times A is equal to 180 centimeter. So 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. So therefore A is equal to 180 divided by 3, that is 60 centimeter. So now the length of each side of this equilateral triangle is 60 centimeter. So what is S? S will be P by 2, that is 180 by 2. So 180 by 2 is 90 centimeter. So now we have got S value and we have got sides also. So now you can straight away find out area of this triangle. So that will be S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So here A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A only, and A we have found out as 60 centimeter. So S is 90 centimeter. So 90 into 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60 into 90 minus 60. So now what is 90 minus 60? 90 minus 60 is 30. So 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. So 90 also you can write as 30 into 3 into 30 into 30 into 30. So now you can write this as 30 power 4 into 3, because we have 4 times 30. So 30 power 4 into 3 will be there. So 30 power 4 you can take outside. So that will be 30 square. So in the square root you will have root 3. So 30 square is 900 root 3. So area of this triangle, which has 180 centimeter as its side, will be equal to 900 into root 3 centimeter square. So in textbook, they have given 900, 3 centimeter square. So here in the place of comma, it is square root. So in the place of putting square root, they have put comma. So don't consider that. So the actual answer is 900 root 3 centimeter square. So now we will move into the second question in this exercise 10.1. So in the second question, there is a flyover. So there is a flyover like this. So this flyover is somewhat like this. So the flyover is something like this, and there is a part of triangular portion here. So there is some triangular portion here like this. So this triangular portion of the flyover, you have to find out the area of this triangular portion, because here an advertisement company has rented this particular triangular space to advertise its product. So in order to find out the area of this triangle, because here we have to find out area of this triangular space, because per square meter it is 5,000 rupees. So now you have to calculate the total cost which company has to pay for 3 months. Here 5,000 per meter square is for 1 year, and you have to calculate for 3 months how much the company has to pay the owner in order to utilize this particular triangular space. So in order to calculate that, you have to calculate the area of this triangular space, and here one side of this triangular space is 122 meter, the other side is equal to 22 meter, and the third side is equal to 120 meter. So now here they have given sides of this particular triangular space, and perimeter you have to calculate using this side. So that will be a plus b plus c, that is 122 plus 22 plus 120. So 122 plus 120 will be 242. So 242 plus 22 will be 264. So 264 we are getting as the perimeter of this particular triangular space. So now S will be P by 2, that is 264 by 2. So 264 by 2 will be 132 meter. So now we have got S, we have got A, B and C. Now we will calculate area of this space. So that is in triangular shape. So we can use the Heron's formula. So S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So area will be equal to, S is 132. So S is 132. 132 minus A is 122. 132 minus B is 22. 132 minus C is 120. So now we can calculate this. So area is equal to square root of 132 into, here 132 minus 122 will be 10. 132 minus 22 will be 110. So we'll write 10 into 110, and 132 minus 120 will be 12. So into 12. So 132 you can write as 4 into 33 into 10 into 110 into 12 you can write as 4 into 3, because 4 3 is a 12. So here 4 into 4 you can write as 4 square. So 4 square into 33 into 10. 110 you can write as 11 into 10. So 110 you can write as 11 into 10. So into 3 will be remaining. So now 10 into 10 you can write as 10 square. So 4 square into 10 square into 33 into 11. So 33 into 11 into 3. So 11 3s are, again it is 33. So 4 square into 10 square into 33 square, because 11 into 3 is 33. So 33 into 33 is 33 square. So if you take square root of all this, it will become 4 into 10 into 33. So now we have got area as 4 into 10 into 33. So 4 tens are 40 into 33. So 33 into 4 is 132, and 10 is there, so 0. So 1320 meter square is the area of the triangular space, and 1 meter square cost 5000 rupees for 1 year. So here 5000 rupees per meter square for 1 year, for 1 year. But here company is taking renting this particular space for 3 months. Company is taking renting this for 3 months. So 3 months means it is 1/4 of an year. So this is 1/4 of an year. So you have to calculate what will be the amount for 3 months for 1 meter square. So x will be equal to 5000 per meter square into 1/4 of an year divided by 1 year. So we are doing cross multiplication. So here year and year gets cancelled with each other. So we'll be having x is equal to 5000 rupees per meter square into 1/4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 10 will be there. So 4 twos are 8, 20 will be there, 5, 0. So x is equal to rupees 1250 per meter square. This is for 3 months. So this is 3 months rent. So for 1 meter square, it is 1250 rupees for 3 months. Now you have to calculate the total cost for total area. So the total cost will be equal to area into x. So here area we have got as 1320 meter square into rupees 1250 per meter square. So here meter square gets cancelled with each other. So 1320 into 1250. So 1320 into 1250 will give you 16,50,000. So the total cost will be 16,50,000 rupees. So this is the total cost which company has to give as rent. So in third question also you have to find out area of a particular wall which is in triangular shape like this. So there is a wall which is there in triangular shape like this. So here also you have to find out area of the wall which has to be painted. So this entire wall has to be painted with some color. So you have to find out area of this entire triangular wall in order to calculate the area of this triangular wall. So here A is 11 meter, B is 6 meter, and C is 15 meter. So now we have A as 11 meter, B as 6 meter, C as 15 meter. So perimeter will be A plus B plus C, and S will be equal to P by 2. So here you can calculate perimeter and you can calculate S. And in order to find out area of this particular triangular wall, you can use this formula S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So and then you will get the area of this particular triangle. This you have to try on your own. Because we have solved so many problems by now, you have to solve these kind of problems on your own because this is very simple. So now we will move into the fourth question. So in fourth question, you have to find the area of a triangle where two sides of the triangle are given. So one side is equal to 18 centimeter and the other side is equal to 10 centimeter. We don't know the third side, but perimeter is given as 42 centimeter. So we know that perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides of that particular polygon. So here A plus B plus C will be the perimeter. So A is 18 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter plus C we don't know. So perimeter is 42 centimeter. So 18 and 10 you can bring to LHS. It will become 42 minus 18 minus 10 is equal to C. So therefore C is equal to 42 minus 10 will be 32. 32 minus 18 will be 14. So 14 centimeter. So now we have got C as 14 centimeters. So now we'll calculate S. S is P by 2. So that is 42 by 2, which is equal to 21 centimeters. So area will be S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So here area is equal to S is 21. So 21 minus A is 18. 21 minus B is 10. 21 minus C is 14. So now you can calculate this. So 21 into 21 minus 18 is 3. 21 minus 10 is 11. 21 minus 14 is 7. So now we have A is equal to 21. You can write as 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. So now we have area as 7 square into 3 square into 11. So 7 square is 7. Square root of 7 square is 7. Square root of 3 square is 3 into square root of 11. 7 3s are 21. So 21 square root 11 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. So now we will move into the fifth question. Here sides of triangles are given in ratio, that is 12 is to 17 is to 25, and perimeter they have given as 540 centimeter. So that means here A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x, C is equal to 25x. So perimeter is equal to 540 centimeter, which is equal to A plus B plus C, which is equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x. So 540 is equal to 12 plus 17 is 29. 29 plus 25 is 54x. So x is equal to 540 by 54, which is equal to 10. So now A is equal to 12 into 10, that is 120 centimeter. Similarly, B is equal to 17x. So 17 into 10 is again 170 centimeter. C is 25x. So C is 25x. So 25 into 10 will be 250 centimeter. So what is S? S will be P by 2. So P is 540 divided by 2. So 540 divided by 2 is 270 centimeter. So now you can find the area of this triangle, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So area is equal to S is 270 into 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250. So now you can write area as 270 into 270 minus 120 is there. So 270 minus 120 will be 150. So 150 into 100, and 270 minus 250 is 20. So now we have got this. So here 270 we can write this as 9 into 30. So because 9 3s are 27 and 1 0 is there, so it will become 270. So here we'll write 150 into 100 we'll write as 100 only, into 20 we can write as 2 into 10. So here 150 and 2 will multiply. So 150 and 2 will try to multiply. So 90 into 30 into here 150 into 2 is 300 into 100 you can write as it is 100 into 10. So here 30 and 10 will multiply together. So 9 into 30 into 10 will be 300 into 300 into 100. So this 300 I am writing here. So 30 into 10 is 300 and 100 is there. So 100 and 9 is there. So 9. So here we are getting area as 9 into 300 square into 100. So this you can write as 3 square into 300 square into 10 square. So square root of 3 square is 3, square root of 300 square is 300, square root of 10 square is 10. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 900 into 10. So 900 into 10. So therefore area is 900 into 10 is 9000 centimeter square. So because why I am doing like this is because if you try to multiply all these values, then it takes lot of time. And after multiplying all these terms, you have to find out square root of that bigger term. And in order to find out square root of that bigger term, again it will consume lot of time in your exams. So that's why I'm splitting this in such a way that I'll get two equal numbers. That is like I have got 300 and 300. So I have separated 300 and 300 in such a way so that I can write 300 square. So that will be easy for me to take the square root and then calculate the area. So this will save the time in order to calculate the value and the square root of that value. So here we have got area as 9000 centimeter square. So now we will move into the sixth question. So in sixth question, here there is an isosceles triangle which has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. So here let's consider A and B are equal to 12 centimeter. We don't know what is C. Perimeter they have given as 30 centimeter. So perimeter is A plus B plus C, which is equal to 12 plus 12 plus C. So 30 minus 12 is equal to C. So therefore C is 6 centimeter. So S will be P by 2. So P is 30. So 30 by 2 is 15 centimeter. So area of this triangle will be S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So area is equal to S value we have got as 15. So 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 6. So area is equal to 15 into 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 6 is 9. So now I can write 15 as it is. 3 into 3 I can write as 3 square and 9 is also 3 square. So area is square root of 3 square is 3. Square root of 3 square is 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 into square root 15. Here centimeter they have given. So centimeter square. So 9 into root 15 centimeter square is the area of this isosceles triangle. So this is all there in this particular video. I have solved most of the questions in this particular exercise 10.1 of 10th chapter. And this comes to the end for this particular 10th chapter in 9th standard mathematics. So in my next video, I'll start with the 11th chapter, which is there in this 9th standard mathematics. Until then, if you want to learn more physics, chemistry, and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.